Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Presha. Today in Learn a Yoga Pose series, we will be practicing Ardha Matsyendrasana. It's a spinal twist, so roll out your mat and let's get started. So we are going to be doing two variations of this pose to make it more accessible for us to practice it. Now, this pose is great to aid digestion. It is also great to bring in great strength and flexibility and mobility in your back and in your spine. So let's begin by sitting in Dandasana, which is extending the legs on the mat, like so, and sitting up tall. So avoid slouching and sit tall through your lower back, lift and flex your feet. You know how Dandasana is. Now once you find yourself in Dandasana, you would look like a shape of the alphabet L. From there, we're going to now bend both the knees. So let's first start with bending into the right knee and place the right foot down for now. Bend into your left knee and just thread the left foot through the right leg and place the left foot slightly to the right long edge of the mat. Okay, again keep sitting tall. Now that right foot is going to come across the left knee and the left thigh. So place it there and just make sure that you plant and you fix your foot down on the floor. Okay, so you don't want to keep it lifted like this. I will tell you a variation for this pose if you feel this is not accessible for you, but for now we're just learning it the conventional way. So we're just going to frame the foot down, keep the knee rising up. Okay, and now if your left foot, which is the foot on pointing to the right leg, long edge of the mat, if that foot is blocking your right sitting bone, just slightly slide it forward so your right sitting bone stays down. So both your sitting bones should be firm and planting down on the mat. Okay, now again sitting up straight. Now we are going to take the right hand back. Now usually you can be on your palm as well, but I feel like you start to lean back when you're on your palm. So personally I like it to be on the fingertips. So just think of holding doorknob. So be on your fingertips this way. Inhale, reach and extend your left arm up. And then with an exhale, you're going to slowly, now we're going to start with wrapping. This is the first variation. Wrapping the left arm around the right knee, sitting up tall, and then looking over your right shoulder. And let's take two breaths here together. Beautiful. Now undo this and extend both your legs. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So again, bending into the left knee, frame the foot down, bend your right knee, thread the right foot through the left leg. Now you can see from here the right foot is now pointing or is going in the direction of the left long edge of the mat, and the left foot I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to plant it across the right knee and the right thigh, completely down on the mat, so the big toe is down touching the floor. Yeah, and then inhale, lengthen through your spine. Place your left hand fingertips back. Inhale, reach and extend your right arm up. So first bring an extension in the body and then exhale. Same thing, we're going to wrap the arm around the knee or give ourselves a nice hug. Again, make sure that you're not slouching here, so you lift through your back, through your lower back, and look over your left shoulder. And we're going to stay here for 2 breaths. Beautiful. Undo this and extend your legs out long again to Dandasana. And you can just tap your knees a little bit here. Now let's do another variation of it. Again, bend your right knee and then same thing, left foot is going to go through the leg We're going to plant the right foot here across the left knee, plant the big toe down, all toes down, lift through your lower back, right hand fingertips back, inhale, left arm up, extension, exhale. Now you can take your left elbow and hook it across your right thigh and lift through your lower back and look over your right shoulder. So this is your second variation, and we're going to stay here for 3 breaths. Beautiful. Undo this and let's switch sides. So bending into left knee this time, okay, taking the right foot through, taking and planting the left foot across the right knee, right thigh, sitting up tall. Again, please make sure that if your right foot is blocking your left sitting bone and your sitting bone is up, then you want to avoid that and you want to just slide the foot forward and both sitting bones down on the floor, on the mat. Left hand fingertips back. Inhale, reach, extend your right arm up, up, up. Good. Exhale, bending your elbow, hook your elbow into that left knee, left thigh, and look over your left shoulder. Beautiful, friends. Undo this, extend the legs. Again, just a little tap. And now let's do another variation. This is the last one. Now, if you feel that when you do this pose and you feel that, doing this is not accessible for you, taking the right foot across and your foot is kind of not framing down on the mat, then what you can do is that you keep your right leg extended. So let's go back to this. Right leg extended, bend into your left knee. Let's start with this side first, okay? So right leg extended, left knee is going to bend. We're going to take the left foot and frame it across the right knee. So I'm going to sit up tall, flex the right foot so your heel is down and your toes are pointing up and spreading. Left hand fingertips back. Inhale, sweep and extend right arm up. Exhale any of the 2 ways. So if you do it this way, this is also obviously a twist. If you do it this way, this is a little bit of deeper twist. So whatever suits you, just go for that. And let's stay here for 2 breaths. Beautiful. Undo this and come back. And now let's do the same thing by bending into the right knee, keeping the left leg in extension. Take your right foot across. Again, frame the foot down, flex the left foot, sit up tall, lift through your lower back, right hand fingertips back. Inhale, extend and reach, left arm up, up, up. Exhale, we're going to do a twist again. So hooking the elbow or giving a hug to your knee. Just make sure you're not slouching, so you lift up and lengthen. All right, undo this, extend the legs, shake it off again. And that is the pose. All right, friends, I'm going to see you again in another series and another video, teaching and learning together another pose. So I'll see you again. Take care. Om Shanti.